create vehicles in the style of renowned concept designer NOAX in this brand new course. Alex Akstinas, also known as NOAX, specializes in designing exquisitely detailed vehicles of all shapes and sizes. He's teamed up with Learn Squared to share his secrets with the world in his first ever online course. You'll go through his entire process, from quick 2D sketches to 3D blockouts to fully detailed 3D concepts, constantly checking in with paintovers, analyses, and experiments along the way. This course is serious about design, and you'll learn to hold yourself to the highest standards just like Alex does himself. No one element is totally finished until the entire design is finished. Alex will teach you to immerse yourself in reference material and truly understand the context of your vehicle before diving in, so that every decision will come from a place of grounded reality. Therefore, this course won't tell you what to do. That's for you to decide. What it will do is give you the confidence and the tools to do it. And that, for a designer, is the most valuable knowledge of all. If you're serious about designing vehicles, this is your chance. Learn from one of the best in the business and become the designer you always dreamed you could be. Sign up today and begin your journey at LearnSquared.com.